tank coating requirements developed by IMO are applicable to? Option A. New crude oil tankers of 5000 GRT and above. Option B. New crude oil tankers of 5000 DWT and above. Option C. New crude oil tankers of 500 GRT and above. And option D. New crude oil tankers of 500 DWT and above. The correct answer is option B. New crude oil tankers of 5000 DWT and above. What does VECS stands for? Option A. Vector Control System. Option B. Vapor Emission Control System. Option C. Very Economical Control System. And option D. An arrangement for release cargo vapor. The correct answer is option B. Vapor Emission Control System. The purpose of a cofferdam between two compartments is to: option A. Store tools and equipment that are necessary for the adjacent compartments. Option B. Give access to the bulkhead for inspection and repairs when the tanks are full with liquid. Option C. Keep a reserved space if capacity of either compartment needs to be increased. And option D. Prevent different liquid from the two tanks coming in contact in case of a leak. The correct answer is option D. Prevent different liquid from the two tanks coming in contact in case of a leak. The total capacity of all slop tanks of an oil tankers normally should be: option A. 1% of total oil carrying capacity of ship. Option B. 2% of total oil carrying capacity of ship. Option C. 3% of total oil carrying capacity of ship. And option D. 4% of total oil carrying capacity of ship. The correct answer is option C. 3% of total oil carrying capacity of ship. Which category of NLS chemical in bulk poses maximum threat? Option A. Y. Option B. OS. Option C. X. And option D. Z. The right answer is option C. X. Which pump must always be primed? Option A. Centrifugal pump. Option B. Reciprocating pump. And option C. Rotary pump. The correct answer is option A. Centrifugal pump. Which of the following is the cofferdam? Option A. Chain locker. Option B. Pump loom on an oil tanker. Option C. Deep tank. And option D. Stop tank on an oil tanker. The correct answer is option B. Pump room on an oil tanker. In chemical tankers, the coding system used by IBC code for an independent tank is: option A. 1, option B. 2, option C. G, and option D. P. The correct answer is option A. 1. Cargo tanks fill alarm indicator panel. Option A. Are normally fitted on the bridge and sometimes on deck. Option B. Are normally fitted in the engine control room and sometimes on deck. Option C. Are normally fitted on the bridge and sometimes in the engine control room. And option D. Are normally fitted in the cargo control room and sometimes on deck. The correct answer is option D. Are normally fitted in cargo control room and sometimes on deck. Static accumulator oil have an electrical conductance of less than: option A. 5 picosiemens per meter. Option B. 25 picosiemens per meter. Option C. 15 picosiemens per meter. And option D. 100 picosiemens per meter. The correct answer is option C. 50 picosiemens per meter. Paraffins are fully saturated. They remain unchanged over a long period of geological time, and they are: option A. Unstable. Option B. Soluble. Option C. Stable. And option D. Reactive. The correct answer is option C. Stable. Paraffins are pure hydrocarbons containing: option A. Only hydrogen. Option B. Only carbon. Option C. Hydrogen and carbon. Option D. Bromine. The correct answer is option C. Hydrogen and carbon. Cargoes should not be loaded into a tank that is not specially for that duty if it exceeds normal atmospheric pressure at: option A. 60.0 degrees Celsius. Option B. 50.6 degrees Celsius. Option C 25.0 degrees Celsius, and option D 37.8 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option D 37.8 degrees Celsius. The most stable naphthenic hydrocarbons are the naphthene rings with option A 7 and 8 carbon atoms, option B 2 and 4 carbon atoms, option C 5 and 6 carbon atoms, and option D 4 and 7 carbon atoms. The correct answer is option C 5 and 6 carbon atoms. Sublimation is the phase transition of a substance. Option A from the liquid of the solid phase, option B from the solid to the liquid phase, option C from the gas phase to the solid phase, and option D from the solid to the gas phase. The correct answer is option D from the solid to the gas phase. Vapor pressure in cargo tanks is affected by option A type of cargo, option B density of cargo, option C temperature of cargo, and option D inert gas. The correct answer is temperature of cargo. The contents of cycloparaffins in petroleum may vary. Option A up to 16%, option B up to 70%, option C up to 35%, and option D up to 15%. The correct answer is option A up to 16%. The important series of hydrocarbons are found in almost every petroleum mixture from any part of the world is option A paraffins, option B aromatic, option C ethylene, and option D naphthene. The correct answer is option B aromatic. The product of coefficient of viscosity, surface area, and the velocity difference between layers of flowing liquid is option A viscosity of liquid, option B force of friction between liquid layers, option C velocity of fluid, and option D vapor pressure of liquid. The correct answer is option B force of friction between liquids. Chemical cargo vapors can enter in human body due to option A continuous working on deck, option B working in the pump room, option C inhalation, skin contact, and also by swallowing, option D improper use of proper PPE. The correct answer is option C inhalation, skin contact, and also by swallowing. Organizational safety value aims at option A less than 2 incident in a year, option B reduce incident to less than 10% of incident in the previous year, option C 0 incident program, and option D allow only 1 incident per year. The correct answer is option C 0 incident program. The main elements of peak safety performance are option A reducing the number of accidents to less than 5% of the previous year's accidents, option B reducing the number of pollution incidents to less than 2% of the previous year incident, and option C no operational incident, no personal injuries, and no harm to environment. The correct answer is option C no operational incident, no personal injuries, and no harm to environment. Why are inhibitors are added in the cargo? Option A inhibitors are added by the ship staff before loading are toxic. Inhibited cargoes often need oxygen, hence should be carried in inerted tanks. Option B inhibitors are added by the terminal before loading are toxic. Inhibited cargoes often need oxygen, hence should not be carried in inerted tanks. And option C, once the cargo is inhibited, its temperature is never a concern for cargo carriage. The correct answer is option B. Inhibitors are added by the terminal before loading are toxic. Inhibited cargoes often need oxygen, hence should not be carried in inerted tanks. Electrostatic discharge causing spark can take the form of option A corona, option B brush discharge, option C propagating brush discharge, and option D electric discharge accompanied by spark. The correct answer is option D electric discharge accompanied by spark. Major danger occurs from a vapor cloud if it is option A dissipated in atmosphere, option B reduced in vapor concentration, option C ignited. The correct answer is option C, ignited. What is cargo inhibition? Option A. All chemical cargo physical and chemical properties change during transportation. To avoid this, certain inhibitors are added in the cargo. Option B. For some chemical cargo, under heat and in presence of oxygen, their physical and chemical properties change. To avoid this, certain inhibitors are added to the cargo. Option C. Adding inhibitors to a refined vegetable oil adds its market value as the inhibitors maintain its color. The correct answer is option B. For some chemical cargo, under heat and in presence of oxygen, their physical and chemical properties change. To avoid this, certain inhibitors are added to the cargo. Inert gas is introduced to cargo tanks too. Option A. Lower the LEL of cargo vapor. Option B. To make the cargo vapor a lean mixture of hydrocarbons. Option C. To exclude oxygen and thus prevent fire on explosion. The correct answer is option C. To exclude oxygen and thus prevent fire on explosion. What is runaway polymerization? Option A. Exothermic self-reaction. Option B. Self-reaction. Option C. Endothermic self-reaction. And option D. Both exothermic and endothermic reaction. The correct answer is option A. Exothermic self-reaction. Electrons have option A. No charge. Option B. Positive charge. And option C. Negative charge. The correct answer is option C. Negative charge. How to reduce hydrogen sulfide hazard in residual fuel oils? Option A. Ventilation to lower the concentration of vapor in the ullage space and in specific areas where vapors may accumulate should be carried out as soon as practicable. Option B. Transfer the oil to some other tanks using fuel transfer pump. Option C. Keep heating the oil to maintain a higher temperature. Option D. Circulate the oil in the same tank using the cargo pump. The correct answer is option A. Ventilation to lower the concentration of vapor in the ullage space and in specific areas where vapors may accumulate should be carried out as soon as practicable.